Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an image clickable so it opens into a Lightbox. If you want it to link to something, if you want an image to link to another page, check the description below. I have another video on that. But in this video, I'm going to walk through how to make an image when someone clicks on it, a Lightbox. Let's begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do here, I'm on my demo website. What we're going to do is we're going to click into the editor. Once we are in the editor, we want to find an image. Now, I'm going to differentiate between image and gallery and image styles. We're going to find an image though first. And you can see here as I hover over it, it says image. It doesn't say gallery, okay? I'm going to double click into this. Here is where you could change the image, change the caption setup. If you want to link it, this is how you link it out. Image, alt text, and file name, all that stuff. Then we go to design. Here, if you click on Lightbox, that is what is going to set it up so that if someone clicks on it, it opens up as a Lightbox, okay? Dark overlay or a light overlay, that's just the background color around the image. I'm going to keep it dark, and I'm going to leave it just like that, and then click Save. Now, when someone hovers over the image and they click on it, it'll open it full screen. Cool, simple, easy. Little X at the corner there, easy to navigate. Now, there's one thing to note. For an image block, there are 6 different types of layouts that they have. Currently, I'm using an image block and the design is in inline. But they have some other ones. They have poster, card, overlap, collage, stack. So if I do poster, for example, well, the option for a Lightbox goes away because there's text over the image. And so that doesn't pop up. There's also card, same thing. That option goes away. And I believe all of them, basically, the option for the Lightbox goes away because the text is involved. For user experience and all of that stuff, yeah, even for stack, it goes away. So the only place you can use the Lightbox is if you use an image with inline. Now let's talk about galleries. So I'm just going to add a sample gallery here to begin on my demo website. Open that up. All right, so this is what it looks like. It says upload media, but I have this demo content, so I'll just leave it like that. And now I'll click design. Here, same thing. You could check off Lightbox, and you could see here for any of these, there is going to be the Lightbox feature, except this one. I just realized that. Okay, so they have the Lightbox feature, I believe, for the carousel, not for the carousel, for the grid, and not for stack. So the only one it has it for is going to be grid. The realities of this. Okay, so there you go. Built-in native feature. If it's a grid, it will work like a Lightbox image if it's an inline gallery. Or sorry, if it's inline in the design. So as you can see here, if I click on one of these images, let's say this one, for example, you'll see that it opens up here into a Lightbox. When it's a gallery, there's arrow options to go through the separate images as you like, which is pretty cool. And these same exact features work on a blog post. So if you add an image that's inline, it'll work. And if you add a gallery with the grid feature, it'll work as well in a blog post. Now, let's say you want to do it for your store. So if I go here and I go to shop, here we have some products. Let's say you want this to be a Lightbox. So let me go back here. You want somebody to be able to click on this. So once you click into the product, what you'll do is you'll click edit and you'll click edit design, or you could just double click onto the page. Once you're in the editor, you do not click on edit product, but you click the little pencil. Once you click this, just know that if you make a change to this product, it changes it for all products. When you edit the design of one product, you edit the design of all products. So just keep that in mind. So once you're in here, you'll see all these different options. You can make adjustments, play with them, get a feel for it. Down here, they don't really specify this really clearly, but click action, it should be like, I don't know. It should be something else, like image click action, I don't know. But click action, click here, and you could do zoom or Lightbox. Hover action, as you can see here, is to zoom so that when I hover over the image, it'll zoom into the image. And you could do both. So that's pretty cool standard feature that they offer. So now I have both on, so you can see I could zoom in. Maybe I could click on another image and be like, yeah, let me take a look. And then boom, fills the screen. Beautiful. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.